Today we are going to be doing some gingerbread men decorating. And I've got all my goodies out. They've already baked. Nice and cool. And cold, actually. You don't want a hot cookie. So, we have M&Ms, Red Hots, all the different colors, and even white, because we want white. I use the sticks here, pepper dyes, which we don't need anymore, yeah. And some candies that I had, Starbursts from Halloween. Got home from church, took a hot shower, took all my makeup off, and now I'm going to do cookies. And some sprinkles. Alright, so let's see. Start. They're not popsicle, but they're large, the large, wide popsicle sticks. I don't know what they're called. Anyway, okay, so this one's a little runny. I'm going to have to add a little bit more sugar, powdered sugar. I'll get it their consistency. You will have a mess by the time you're done. It's okay. It's fun. It's a fun mess. So I'm going to add. Can't really go wrong in these things. They're not going to look perfect. I am going to make this guy have kind of like a hat. I want to go all the way around like the traditional. The stick works well because as it's coming off of your stick, it's kind of easy to paint. And when you want to stop, you can turn it like that and it catches the, if it's the right consistency, it will catch the frosting. So you don't need a piping, although that's another way to do it, which is fine. I just never liked putting it in the bag and it's always messing that way. So I find this works just as good. Maybe a little slower. That's okay. You want the radio on? No, I just turned it off so I'm recording. Oh. That's my mom. That's cute. Oh, got these Red Hots. I'm gonna make the Red Hots go down. Very nice. My mom made the icing. She really added a lot of color. Oh, it's really strong color. Usually mine are all pastel-y, so this is kind of fun. Let's make him have a snowman or a Santa Claus suit, maybe. Santa Claus gingerbread. Now, let's give him a green belt. And let's give him a belt buckle. An M&M belt buckle. Then I'm going to do a beard. And I'm just going to put some of these Red Hots down in front. Two is good enough. 1, 2. Too much red, probably, huh? Okay. And then I'm going to use a green Alright, kind of balances a little bit. Now we're going to make this is a starburst that I've just used the scissors to cut like this. And it's kind of pliable, so you can bend it into a mouth shape. Kind of like this. Like glue. Boink. There. And now for the eyes. What color? Blue eyes or go with blue eyes. So if your icing starts to get kind of dry, which it does pretty fast, have a cup of water. Don't touch the edges, but just lift it, and then you can add it in increments to the frosting, because you don't want it to get too wet still, because it really moves fast when you get it too wet. You want it kind of pasty, slow moving. If I mess up the eyes, that's difficult. 1, 2. And you don't even really need to have to put a nose on this one. Add a little bit more white to the top. A little hit of hair. Ta-da! I'll show you some of the other ones here that we just finished.
I think they're creative and cute.
With the extra dough, you do like a wreath. What's nice about the thicker ones, and they're a little bit thinner than the popsicle sticks, you just have more control. And so if you really want to cover some surface, you can really, it's like a little knife almost. You can smooth it on pretty fast. Now I'm just red hearts around my red hearts. The whole family can have a fun day doing this, but I would suggest getting your cookies ready, because you don't want them to be warm, otherwise the icing just kind of melts off. You want to make sure they're nice and cold. And I always cook mine a little longer because I like it to be crunchy, a crunchy cookie. Mom also has some chocolate that she was using, but I don't think I'll use that chocolate. I like the M&Ms. So we could even do like a little the longer you hold it there, the more icing comes off. Start in the middle and work out. And come back in. Yep. Oh, that's pretty. Could even put, I think it looks good. Just like put an M&M in the middle. So be careful not to touch it. I'll take one more around. Okay, so let's see. I don't really even like blue for the, but let's see. Sometimes blue is pretty with the white and like a snowflake kind of thing. Let's see. Let's put white on the cookie most of these. Smear it like so. Nice white looking. Not to the edges so much because I have a feeling when we add this it will push it out. Okay, now I'm going to attempt to do like a snowflake. Okay, so this needs a little bit more water. Not too thick. The thicker, you usually get more precision when it's thicker. So we're moving. Doesn't look like a snowflake. There's not one snowflake.
Alike.
You ever looked up close on a snowflake? It's incredible. I really didn't think that they had a design until I looked really close one time. I was out skiing. And it was a dry snow, so you could see the crystal. It was so awesome. That looks kind of pretty. Over like the other one. Well, it's just really fun to do this. A lot of people love to eat them. So I'm not going to even put any candy on this one. Oh, you know what I'll do is put some of this sprinkle. There. Oh, that's kind of neat. Show it to you up close. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that.